you're probably working on or out riding your bike, but I gotta let you know that your phone's ringing. Now, don't take your hands off the handlebars, but when you can get around to it, answer your frickin' phone!
Well, howdy, Ray. I know you're probably out riding the twisties, and man, that's pretty damned awesome. But when you get the chance, and it's safe, answer the damn phone. Yep, your phone's ringing. Up, watch that curve now.
Hey, Ray! Your bike is sounding real good today. Hey, when you get a sec, you may want to pick up your phone. Yeah, you should know that your phone's ringing. Now, once you've pulled over to the side of the road and it's safe, pick up your